Good morning, dear aspirant. Hope you all are doing good and get back to your normal after this huge intensity of rainfall. All right. So, Supreme Court upholds Section 6A of Citizenship Act. So, Supreme Court give a very landmark verdict judgment on constitutionality of Section 6A of Citizenship Act. See, very potential area you can expect question from this particular article 5 to 11 that relates to citizenship, because recently in the past 3 years we expect questions from citizenship due to the controversy of NRCs, that is National Registry of Citizens, but it yet to come. So this year you may expect a question from this area. So Constitutional Bench with a majority judgment of 4:1 says that constitutionality of upheld the constitutionality of Section A of Citizenship 1955, which permits immigrants from Bangladesh who is residing in Assam can secure Indian citizenship, which is a very landmark judgment. The court held it is a valid of legislation aligned to the value of fraternity. See, what is Section 6A of Citizenship Act 1955? See, while understanding this, you need to know about the Assam Accord of 1985. So, Assam Accord is an agreement, that is a tripartite agreement. Tripartite agreement means it involved the union government, the state government of Assam, and the leaders of Assam movement. They are the main role played to bring up this initiative. Their demand, they keep on revolution, they keep on starting revolution, and they keep on demanding the citizenship. So to suppress the revolution and to go with the consigns, these 3 tripartite agreement have been signed to end the influx of illegal migrants from Bangladesh. So, Assam Accord was signed in 1985 and also introduced Section 6A in citizenship. Section 6A is exclusively for Assam. This provision addresses the issue of large-scale migration. This migration has happened after the Indo-Bangla War, which has happened in 1971. Also, it mandates the detection and deportation of foreigners who entered Assam after 1971, making the creation of Bangladesh. So it reflects the specific historical and demographical challenges in Assam too. So what is the provision? It created a special proviso for Assam because by which PIO who came from Bangladesh before 1st January 1966 were deemed to be citizens of India. PIO who came to the Assam between 1966 to 71 who were detected to be the foreigners were required to register themselves with the appropriate authority and to provide them a citizenship only after 10 years of residence, and that is also subject to certain conditions. Okay. So, a person who entered Assam after 1971 were to be detected and deported in accordance with the law. So, citizenship, what is citizenship? That is a legal status given to a person, and it defines the relationship between an individual and a state and ensure them a specific rights as well as specific duties. So, 5 to 11 in part 2 of Constitution deal with the aspects of citizenship, acquisition of citizenship by birth, descent, naturalization, registration, etc. Citizenship is listed in the Union list. Next, universal basic income. Okay. So, what is universal basic income? So, the idea of universal basic income keeps surfacing from time to time. It is not a new concept actually. The recent report by International Labour Organization says that job growth has been lagging not only in India but also this issue globally. Why the job growth is lagging? Because of huge elevation of automation and AI. So because of automation and AI, there have been job growth has been stagnated, and there is a massive problem of youth unemployment in India. So universal basic income is a social welfare program, which means all the beneficiaries regularly receive a guaranteed income in form of an unconditional transfer payment. The goal of a basic income system are to elevate the poverty. So this is typically intended to reach all with no conditions, with a large population of people with no condition. There is a positive of this initiative. Definitely it will elevate the poverty and improves the physical and mental health also, and it simplify the welfare system and enhance the individual freedom. Economic stimulus will be there because money will be injected directly to the people, and it can boost local business as well. It can empower people to pursue entrepreneurship. There is also negative because cost and fiscal sustainability. It is very expensive program that require huge taxes, spending cuts. So for in a point of economy that won't work out actually. And also inflationary pressure will be there. Everyone receives a fixed amount of money that will not give a demand of price and good services. Dependency will may increase from the government side. Next, Parkinson's disease. So Parkinson recent study says that found that a history of upper GI MD. GI means gastrointestinal mucosal damage was associated with increasing risk of developing PD. So Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that impairs movement and lead to immobility. Usually it occurs with the younger old people, and in the past 25 years it has been double. And also obviously India shares around 10% of the global burden of diseases. The cause we yet to it is in the research yet to decide, and it is characterized by loss of dopamine producing neurons in the brain. There are symptoms is also there, non-symptomatic will be also there. There is no cure for this disease and no therapies except medicines and surgery. And combination medicine that increases the amount of dopamine in the brain is the most common medication. Every year 11th of April is observed as World Parkinson Disease Day. So try to answer this question. Supreme Court ruling on section 6A aligns with which value of the preamble? Citizenship values with which value preamble? Very, very important. According to recent reports, which factor is cited as a cause for lagging job growth globally? Okay. Try to answer this mains question. In light of rising automation and youth unemployment, discuss the feasibility of implementing UBI. So you have to give your own points, like what is the positive, what is the feasibility, what is the practical issues, and analyze its benefits and challenges also, and suggest if there is any balanced approach to address both economic and social concern. So as part of our new campus inaugural offer, we are providing 1 year current affairs course with the affordable price. For admission, feel free to contact this number. Thank you. Have a great day.